Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. I wanted to show you quickly how to calculate the cost average of each cryptocurrency you have on Binance. Because as you know, on Binance, unfortunately, Binance doesn't calculate for you. And it's really helpful to know the cost average. So I'm going to share with you how I calculate it, okay? So I'm going to attach in this video a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, that's going to give you this formula. Or you can just do it yourself. I'll write down the formula for you. So at the end of the day, that's what you're going to have. You're going to have a Google Sheet or a spreadsheet on Excel. That's going to list all your transactions on Binance that we're going to export. We'll show you in a bit. And that's going to calculate the cost average. So you're going to select, you'll be able to select, let's say you want to see the cost average for ADA, for Cardano, and let's say you bought some with USDC, some with USDT. You're going to select all the transactions for Cardano, and it's going to calculate for you the cost average. All right. So now let's go straight to Binance. So go into Binance, go into orders, spot orders, and go to trade history, and then you see you're going to be able to export all this information. So go to export and then click on whatever you want. The last I'm gonna pick the last 6 months, okay? And then you export it, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it in Excel or in Google Sheet. So I have Google Sheet, so that's what I'm gonna be using. So I go into Google Sheet, you're gonna open and upload it. Select the file, here you go, it's right here. Here you go. And what you're gonna do now, you're going to insert a, so you're gonna go into data, create a filter, okay? Then insert one row above, okay? And then I'm gonna copy this. I'll attach the spreadsheet, okay? So you can do the same thing. All you have to do is copy the formulas here, okay? I'm gonna paste it here. And what you have to do now is you have to select all your data, go into format. You want all of this to be numbers. Now readjust the date into date, and readjust column C, the type, into text. So format, plain text. What you're going to do is you're going to drag all of this all the way down, okay? And all you have to do now is go into market, select the currency you want to see. Okay, let's say AVAX. So you have some AVAX, some Avalanche, and it's gonna pre-select all the transactions in the last 6 months, and it's gonna calculate for you the cost average. That is it. So if you think that video was helpful and the spreadsheet, please like the video and follow us on this channel. Thank you very much. Happy trading.